So we have here a statement and an expression, and you're asked to explain the difference between the two. So the general rule, according to this website here, is if you can print it or assign it to a variable, it's an expression. If you can't, it's a statement. Okay. And here's some examples of expressions. 2 plus 2. Right, it's the number 4, and you could put that into a variable. Same thing here. This min means it's going to jump to a unseen function, and it's going to figure out which one is the smaller number, and it's going to return the smaller number. So this expression is going to be replaced with the number 2. Right. We have these strings here, string concatenator. All of these things we can print. Right. We have true and false, which are another data type that we haven't talked about, and that's Boolean. Boolean means true or false. Right. And then we have these numbers here. Right. So these are all expressions, and you might be thinking to yourself, okay, well, if those are expressions, that's all I know. Right. What about a statement? Right. Well, here are some statements. We haven't really gone over these yet, but we're going to be going if and else statements, and these are branches. We're going to be going over loops with for loops and while loops. These are statements as well. And with statements, you cannot put them inside of a variable. Right. So that's the general rule, and the point of having this question here is just so that when we talk to each other, we're able to speak clearly and not be confused. Right. And so that's just something you want to keep in the back of your mind. A statement is a line of code that you cannot place into a variable, that you cannot print. An expression is a line of code that you can place into a variable that you can print.